Hello guys, good morning. Hello.
Hi Amarender, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi,
Good
Amma.
morning,
Good
guys.
morning.
Okay. Good morning, guys. Just a minute, guys. I can see very less only today. Just a minute. Let's check. Let me check with them. Maybe because of weekend. Okay, maybe they may join. Okay, guys. Let's start. Who is going to share the screen today? And Suresh, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, Suresh. Please go ahead.
Amarender, actually, we are the new students.
Oh, okay.
Actually, the thing is that we have attended DevOps with AWS for few of the classes which was taken by Ravindra.
Okay.
He dropped from middle of the training, means up to Jenkins we have completed. After that, he dropped from the training. So they gave us the new link. They where you are taking the class.
Oh, okay. Okay. Sure, definitely. I'll talk to you. Maybe ping me after the class. Okay. So
Okay.
we'll discuss what is your current state and all. So based on that, we'll pick that. So your Linux done now?
Means up to Jenkins it is done.
Up to Jenkins. Okay.
Means when we are in the middle of Docker, then he suddenly dropped the classes.
Oh, okay. Okay. No problem. I'll take care. Okay.
Actually, means AWS Amazon services also we haven't started. That is the problem.
No problem. I'll cover that. Okay. Yeah. I'll
Okay.
talk to you maybe after offline. So whenever
sure.
I'm free, so please ping me in WhatsApp. I will give my number. Okay. We'll talk of maybe today or tomorrow. I'll talk to you whenever I get time, and then we'll move on.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. Okay. Okay, Suresh, can you please clear the screen as well as increase your font size? Change. Click on change button. Bold. Okay. Yeah. Sudo -i. Sudo space -i. Who am I? Okay, your sudo space -a. Okay, clear the screen. Okay. Yeah, actually, Suresh, I'm checking with other students also. Just a minute.
Okay.
So because here only 1 or 2 students joined today, maybe because of weekend. So I'm just thinking just whether go ahead or maybe wait for maybe tomorrow or Monday, something like that. So just a minute.
Okay.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah. Because again, they cannot understand this topic. That's the reason. Otherwise, I can continue. Because one class they miss also, they cannot understand the next classes. That's the problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just a
Amarender,
minute.
sorry for interrupting you.
Yes, Narayana.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask you that I have seen that curriculum is there in website.
Okay.
Are you going to are you going to teach an extra or same curriculum whatever is there in you pasted
Yeah,
in?
same only. Most probably same only. Extra means maybe one or two topics might be there. So whenever time, it's based on again that particular topic and all.
What about the JFrog and something like?
No. There are so many competitors actually DevOps. So maybe everything we cannot. So our target is whatever we are teaching, it should be again perfect. Right. So the student should be able to understand them. Students should be able to manage the tasks and all. That is my target. I don't want to pick like a huge number of unnecessarily again. What I can say, even competitors also, and definitely it won't work out, guys. So maybe most of the institute what they are doing, so they are making a huge number of topics in a curriculum. So within a 60 days, they are completing that within a maybe 60 working days. So definitely it won't work out. You can't learn much things there, right? Here I'm covering only whatever we need, no competitors. Maximum because for this itself, I'm not able to complete within a 60 working days.
Okay.
So because there are huge topics to cover. So these tools itself, I'm unable to cover within 60 working days.
I think this
Because
batch is 3 months, no? You mentioned that.
yeah, that's what 3 months, 60 working
Yeah.
days.
Yeah.
Monday to Friday, right? 60 working
Yeah.
days.
Okay.
3 months.
Okay.
So that's what I'm saying. So I don't want to again fool the students. Whatever I'm covering, I want to make perfect in them. That's
Amarender, this is the new batch or it is already running batch?
okay. So generally, DevOps, how it would be means, example, there are different tools in DevOps. Okay. So every week, new tool will be started. It's not like middle of the batch, and it's not a fresh batch also. It would be something only Linux is prerequisite. It's kind of chain batch. Every week, new students might be joined. Everywhere, not only here. Maybe they may not say this, but definitely it's not a, again. So nowhere, not only here. This is what happening everywhere.
Oh, this is between the batch. Okay, okay. Next, which tool we are going to start after the?
It depends on again. I mean that batch. Maybe I have to check that. So actually, this is not correct. I mean, 8:30 a.m. is only for Linux. So once Linux is done, 7 a.m. is the morning. I mean, actual batch. 7:15. Because 8:30 means again students like office and all, right? So they may have to start and all. So most of the student requested for 7:15 only. So I started 7:15 a.m. only for 1 week. Maybe next 3-4 days. That's 2-3 days. That's it. After that, it would be 7:15 a.m. only. Okay.
You are going to start a sharp 7:15, or it may become 7:20, 7:30 like that.
7:20 because obviously 5 minutes students will take grace period, right?
Okay, when it will
That's
be completed by 8:30, or at what time it will be
8:30.
completed?
8:30. 8:30. You're right.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Suresh, open your notepad. Sorry, not notepad. That putty session. Okay. So today's session we will discuss about how to create files and folders. Okay. In last class we discussed about uh, file structure, right? Folder structure. What are the different folders we do have in our Linux? So today
Yes, sir.
we'll discuss.
You didn't share that video, yesterday's video.
No, YouTube I posted, right? There it is.
No, you didn't post.
Oh, is it? Maybe okay. So I think you will get follow-up email. Okay, there it will be there. Okay, every day follow-up email you will get from Durga Soft. Okay, so there you will get a videos. They will upload the videos to YouTube. YouTube link. Oh, not yet
Didn't.
uploaded. Maybe I have to check. I will check today, guys. Yesterday's video uploaded or not, I will check.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, then go ahead. Okay. So can you cd to /tmp folder? What is tmp folder, guys? Tmp folder is a temporary folder where I can do generally temporary stuff and all. Do ls. Okay. Yeah. So here, guys, now I'm going to show you how to create a file and folder. So first, mkdir. So guys, in Windows, how do you create folders? Generally, right click and new folder and new file, right? Here,
Yes.
mkdir is the command. Mkdir, write down mkdir space your folder name, any folder. Example I'm showing, guys. It can be whenever you need, you have to create a folder in different folders wherever you are. Some folder one. Enter. Do ls. See, guys, I created one folder now. Now, in the same way, how to create a file? Touch command. Touch space your file one. Example file one. Enter.
No need of any extension.
No, not required. By default, it will take text file, guys. By default, your files will be text files. No extension required until unless it is something else. If it is some other format, you have to give extension. But if it is text format, you no need to give any text format, txt extension and all. See, guys, file one got created. So what touch will do, guys? Touch will create an empty file, guys. Okay, so touch command will create an empty file. Nothing will be. You can't do anything. There is no other options with touch command, guys. Can you give one more time? Touch space file one.
Again, same command.
Again, can you use up arrow? So up arrow will also like can be used for previous commands. Enter. Nothing will happen, guys. Okay, even if that file is there with some data, you won't lose anything. Touch command, nothing. So guys, if it is a new file, it will create a file. If already file exists, it will just touch that file. It won't do anything. Okay, we can't do anything with touch command. Now, like opening a file, opening a folder, you can't do anything with touch command, guys. Okay, so only one usage. Empty file it will create. Maybe you may ask, why should I create empty file? Sometimes what will happen, I need a file, I want to add the data later. So in such a case, touch is the command. Nothing. Okay, now clear the screen. So guys, notes and all I will provide to you maybe individually once the enrollment process completed. I have a Google Drive already, as I told. There are huge notes already there, running notes also there. Okay, everybody, you will get the notes from there. Yeah, you no need to write it. Okay, so and also I'm going to give tasks also, maybe not today. Once like you're familiar is with Linux, I'm going to give some questions also in Linux. Okay, everybody, you have to work, you have to do R&D, and you have to get those answers for me to get more knowledge. Okay, so next one more command also there, guys, to create a file. Okay, cat than
Sorry,
cat greater than your file name, new file, file2 example. Here don't ask me why I'm creating file1, file2. Just I'm showing how to create a file. Okay, how to create a file I'm showing. Just file1, not cat. Okay, that's fine. You given cat file1 as a name. No
yeah,
issues.
because the
Yeah.
file is
So
created
add
by the
your
cat.
data now. Yeah, no problem. Add your data now. Something. See, guys, with cat command, I can create a new files. With the data I can post. Press enter now. Control D to save the file.
Okay.
Enough. And press enter, then control D.
Now, okay, control D. Now I have to give control
Yes.
D.
Yes, control D to save the
Yeah.
file. Do ls now. You can see that file, cat file now actually. So he created a file name itself as a cat file one. Whatever the name you want, you can give there. So I can open the files also, guys, with cat command. Cat file, that file name. Cat space file name. Cat space that file name. Whatever the file you would like to open. Yeah, see guys, I can see the data also. You can open that file one also, which is created by touch. Cat file one, but nothing will be there. It's an empty file. See guys, this is how cat works. Can you
Sir,
give that cat greater than command one more time? Let's see what will happen. Yeah, someone said something.
this ls command will give the list of files in the present working directory, right?
Exactly. Where you are in which directory you are in, right? That directory contents it will show ls command. Okay. Yeah. So here, can you run that cat greater than an existing file? Let's see what will happen. Cat greater than cat file one. So let's see now what will happen. Enter. Add some data. So already that file there, guys. Good. Any data, whatever you need. We're adding some data. Then enter. Control D. Press enter. Then Control D. Now open the file. See guys, what happened now?
Overwrite
So
the
guys,
data.
exactly guys. So cat greater than is very danger command, guys. Cat greater than command is very danger command. Okay, so it won't warn you. It won't even tell you something that file already exists. So it will override the data, something like that. Very danger. By mistakenly you give one existing file, gone. All the data gone. So cat greater than, maybe you can write down. Open your notepad. First mkdir folder name. Yeah, so maybe description. You can write down the description. This command will create a new folder. To create folders, this is the command, guys. Mkdir stands for make directory. This command will creates new file, new folder. Yeah, next touch command. Touch file one, file name. Touch file name. This command will create a new file, new empty file. This creates new empty file. Nothing will be there, guys. You can't do anything. If file already exists, if file already exists, if file already exists, it will just update the timestamp. That's it. Means something like I touched it, something like that. Time updates, timestamp when it is created. Maybe modification time will be updated. That's it. But it won't. You won't lose any data and all, guys. If already that file has some data, it won't do anything to that data. Next, cat greater than file name.
Timestamp updation means the new time will be updated, or
Yes. So, yes, exactly. If you see the property, it will show new timestamp. So
okay.
modification time will be there, right? That time it will show latest time.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So
Okay.
next, cat greater than file name. This command creates new file with the data. This command creates new file with the data. If file already exists, it will overwrite the data. Two things it can do, guys. We can do with cat. Then cat file name. Cat space file name. cat space file name. This command creates, sorry, oh, this command is to open the file. This command is to open the file. Okay, so next, go back to putty. Putty, go back to putty.
Yeah.
Cat double greater than your file name. Let's see. So if it existing file, give existing file, cat file 1. Enter. Yeah, add your data, whatever the data you need. So let's see what will happen now. Enter. Control D to save the file. Okay, open the file now. Cat, that file name again. Cat space your file name. So what happened, guys? It appended the data.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, go back to Notepad now. Cat double greater than your file name. Cat double greater than file name. This command creates new file with data. So if file not there, it will create a file, guys. This command creates a new file with data. If file already exists, it appended the data. Same, guys. Cat greater than double greater than. First part is same. So both the commands will create a new files if file does not exist. If file exists, one is overwrite the data, one more is append the data. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. These are the file creation commands. So, but example, guys, I want to modify some file. Okay, so somewhere second line, third line, I want to modify. You cannot modify, guys, with cat command. That is the problem with cat. Only these options you have in cat. Okay, so in Windows also we do have different options. Notepad is there, WordPad is there, Notepad++ is there, Microsoft Word is there. So already we have Notepad. Why we are going with WordPad? Because it has more options. Same, see here also, guys. So like each command has its own usage. Based on your requirement, you have to use it. So one more important command is there now, VA editor. Now go back. So VA editor is there. VA space. Now clear the screen first. VA space. One more command to create a file, guys. VA space your file name. Existing or new file. Anything. Suresh, any name is fine. Yeah. No, don't give like that. You will be confused otherwise. Give your file name. Just file name. File 1, file 2, file 3, something like that. Otherwise, like student might be confused. We have to give like VA only, something like that. File 1, only file names. Here, guys, all these I am showing only for sample purpose. How to create I am showing. So based on your requirement, later part of time, you have to take care which file you have to create, what could be the name and all, where in which folder and all. Here temporarily I am creating under TMP folder. Okay, later you have to decide based on your requirement. While working with application, they will tell you where to create, what file name it should be and all. You should go with the same names. Yeah, enter. Okay. So guys, if it is a new file or existing file, it will open the file. If file does not exist, it will create and open the file. Now here you are in a VA editor, guys. This is called as VA editor. Okay, no, something like you open a notepad or maybe WordPad, something like that, guys. Open your notepad now, write down. VA editor has 3 modes. Maybe first write down the syntax. VA space file name. VA space file name. This command creates a new file or open new file and open. This command create new file. So we can create, we can open the existing files also. New file, or if file already exists, it will open the file or opens existing file. Okay. So VA editor has 3 modes. VA editor has 3 modes. Below, maybe write down 1, 2, 3, something like that. Next, 1, escape mode, 2, insert mode, 3, command mode. 2, insert mode, write down line by line, because again you have options also. Insert mode, 3, escape mode, sorry, command mode. Command mode, yeah. First I will explain about insert mode, then after we'll go to the other modes. So guys, insert mode is nothing but inserting the data, adding the data to your what I can say, file. If you are in insert mode, then only you can add the data, guys. There are 6 options to enter into insert mode. Write down the options. Small I, capital I. Under insert mode only. Under insert mode, write down the options. Small I, capital I. Capital I. Next, small o, capital O. Small a, capital A. So 6 options we have, guys. Insert mode. You can use one of the option. Any option. Okay. So go back to putty session and you can try that. Maybe try 1, 2, 3, any numbers. You cannot type anything in putty session to enter into insert mode. You cannot type any other things, guys. Okay, so you cannot add the data until unless you are in insert mode. Go back to putty.
Yeah.
Now press small I.
Yes.
See guys, you are in insert mode now. Bottom line, it is showing that you are in insert mode now. Can you show me that? Can you place your cursor there in bottom line? See guys, you are in insert mode now. Now you can type the data. Can you type your data? Just randomly 5 to 6 lines. No meaningful lines. Just keep on type.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, fine. See guys, now I'm in insert mode. That's where I'm able to type my data. Can you press escape key in your keyboard? See guys, now I'm in escape mode. Now you cannot type any data again until unless you are in insert mode. Okay, so that is what insert mode, guys. To edit the data, edit the file, to modify something, you need an insert mode. Then only you can type the data, guys. Okay. Now next, what escape mode? What is escape mode? What is escape mode means? Again, here also we have some shortcuts, guys. Here also we have some shortcuts. GG, maybe I'll show first, then after I'll come to you. Go back to putty. So example, guys, I want to go to first line. I don't know where I am in, which line I am in currently. I want to go to first line. GG is the first line, guys. GG. See, guys, I'm in first line now. Just shortcut, guys. Here it is small file. In real time, you may have to work with a huge number of lines. Going first line, going last line, moving cursor manually, very difficult. Okay, that's where these options. GG is the first line, guys. It will take you to first line. Capital G, it will take you to the last line, guys. See, my cursor is at last. Home end button, guys. Generally in WordPad or somewhere, home end button we'll use, right? First, last line, same concept. Next, I want to go to third line. 3GG, guys. 3GG. Third line it will take. Shortcuts, guys, these are. Instead of moving your cursor manually, we can use options like this, guys. Shortcuts. 3GG, it will take you to the third line, guys. 5GG, it will take you to the fifth line. Go ahead and write down. GG. Go ahead and write down. GG. Capital G. 3GG or 5GG to go to fifth line. Third line, 1000 line means 1000 GG, guys. 5GG means fifth line. 3GG means third line. Shortcuts. Now go back. Example, I want to do some change in second line. Simple. First 2GG. Then insert mode, guys. Small I. Small I. Then it will take you to insert mode, guys. Now I can move my cursor wherever you need, and you can complete your things. You can move your cursor and you can type the data wherever you need. If you need any modification and all, you can do that. No, there itself I'm asking. Maybe example in second line, I want to do modifications. Okay, then I can do modification there because I'm in insert mode now. Okay, now press escape. Yeah. See, now I'm able to modify because I'm in insert mode now. Go there and insert, first make it insert mode. Then say again, come out, escape mode again. Yeah. Now example, I want to delete a particular line, guys. Fourth line I want to delete. 4GG. First go to 4GG. Yeah. So I want to delete this line, guys. Example. What I can do here? DD. DD is the command. See, guys. I deleted that line. DD again. Which line you are there? That line will be deleted, guys. DD means that line will be deleted. So again, write down. Write down the option. DD. DD for delete. So guys, everybody, you have to remember this option. There is no alternative for that. Compulsory, you have to remember this. Delete the line where your cursor is there. Fifth line.
So we need to place the cursor and then press TD. The entire line will be deleted, right, sir?
Exactly, you're right. 3GG means third line. GG means first line. Yeah, in keyboard only we are doing these things. In keyboard, you have to press these types, these keys and all. Okay, so then just you are using shortcuts here. Okay, so DD means delete a line. That line will be deleted. Wherever your cursor is there, that line will be deleted. Okay, so next I want to copy a line. Maybe U for undo. Go back. So maybe by mistakenly I deleted something. I modified something. U for undo, guys. U. Last undo will be last change will be undo. Again, one more time. One more time. One more time. Oh, you did. Okay, no problem. So basically, like last changes will be undo. So one by one. So again, no problem. To make it insert mode again, type some data. Yeah, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5. Okay, fine. So this is what again, I'm sorry, one more thing is why is there. Example, we can copy the lines also, guys. One more shortcut. Copy the lines. Example, third line I want to copy. What I have to do? First escape key. Here you can move. No, you should be in escape mode first. In insert mode, type options won't work out, guys. Okay, here it is a small file. You can move your cursor manually, up and down arrow. But in real time, it's a huge files. So again, moving time waste process instead of that shortcut. So this line I want to copy somewhere at 7th line. Why is the copy, guys? Why?
Yes.
Okay, then after I want to paste somewhere in 7th line. Go to 6th line, 6GG. P for paste. See, guys, this is how copy paste Y and P. All are escape mode options, guys. When you are in escape mode, you can do all these things. Y, P, go back, write down. Y to copy line.
Suppose if you want to copy the portion of line, then what to do?
Yeah, again, there with Y we do have some other options also. So again, YL for letter, YW for word, something like that. Maybe that many not required. So later, slowly, because if I tell everything, like
Yes.
you will be confused. There are
Yes.
so many things you have to learn.
Okay.
These are the basics. Whatever I am covering are the basic first. If you know the basic, later, based on your requirement, you can find out the option. That is not a big deal. First, try to understand the VA editor, how it is working.
Okay.
So again, there are so many. In VA editor, there are so many advanced commands. We'll see those later, not required right away. Okay? Yeah. So that is what about escape mode, guys. Now the next mode is command mode. I done. Example, I'm done with my changes. I'm ready to save. Okay. So how to do that? Now shift colon.
Okay.
Can you press shift colon?
Okay. If you want to do the shift colon, then we should be in the escape mode.
Yes, exactly. In escape mode only, you have to do shift colon. Yeah. See, guys, now you are in command mode. At bottom line, you can see that. Now you are in command mode. Okay, I want to save it. So W is the command, guys, to save the file. Q is for quit. Example, I want to save and quit from this way editor. W is to save. Q for quit, guys. Press enter. Yeah. See, guys, I'm out of the file now. So this is what you can do, guys, with V editor. Mostly we'll go with V editor only, not with touch command, not with cat command, because they have limitations. So cat command, if you see, you cannot modify the files with second line, third line. There is no option. Compulsory VA editor is a option, guys. Go ahead and write down. So VA only most commonly used in real time also. Go. So go ahead and write down under command mode. Command mode. Shift colon. Shift plus colon you have to type. Then WQ. W for save, Q for quit.
If you want to give Q, then just it will save and stays in the same file.
Exactly. You will be in the same file. It will save. Maybe example, I did some changes. Still changes are there. But I want to save the file. Simple colon W. That's it. Okay. Example, I don't want to save. I realized it. Somehow some changes I did, but I realized so those changes I don't need. Simple Q and exclamatory mark. No need to do W. W is for save, Q for quit. You should be in escape mode to give exactly. If you are in insert mode, what will happen, guys? If you are in insert mode and if you do shift colon, where your cursor is there itself it will type this colon. So it won't take it as an option, guys. It won't take it as a command mode if you give in insert mode. Okay, so this is how you now you can open do ls. You can use a cat command also now to open the file. Use cat file one. So with VA also I can open VA file one. Your wish, based on your requirement, you can use whatever you need. VA editor, cat to open the file, anything is fine. But to modify, VA only option. Maybe to overwrite or to open the data, cat also works. No need to do cat command. Sorry, VA editor. To append or overwrite the data. Okay. So this is how, guys, you can manage your files and folders in Linux box. We can create a new files. We can create existing. Maybe we can modify the existing files and all in here. Okay, in Linux box. Now quit from this file. Colon shift colon Q exclamatory mark. So guys, you need more practice, guys. Maybe sometimes Linux you may feel very easy, or else you may feel little difficult. But all you need is you have to practice. Clear the screen. This is about file management, guys. How to create folders and files. Do ls now. Okay. So next is okay. Some guys, there are so many commands, right? Like I want to know more about that command, or else I don't know much about that command. Okay, how can I know that? So very simple, guys. In Linux, okay, there are yes, exactly, man page, man space, your file name, maybe sorry, your command name, which command you would like to check. Example, ls command I want to check. Ls, enter. It will show about ls command, guys. What is ls command? What are the different options? Okay, what is option first of all? Can you press Q once?
Oh, sorry.
Q for quit. Okay, I'll show you option usage, guys. What is option and all? In Windows also we have, guys. Generally we do right click and select the options, right? Based on option, you will choose. You will get the view different way. Maybe can you do ls once? Can you do ls space -l? -l is the option, guys. Here -l l. So what is the difference, guys? When I use -l, what happened? Guys, when I use -l option, what happened?
It is showing the file permissions for each and every
Exactly.
file.
Properties also. Same in Windows also we have this option, guys. Can you open a folder in Windows anywhere? Suresh? Okay. See here, guys, same properties. File name, size, when modification, type, file type, size. Right click somewhere in white space, anywhere. Right click, view, go to view. See guys, view, this many options I have. Click on list option. This is what ls options, guys. Not only ls command, every command has its own options, guys. Every command has its own option. So option will improve you, maybe expand your command behavior, guys. So in example, ls will list the command, list the output, maybe files and folders. So how many ways you can list? Maybe file, by default, guys, your files will be listed in alphabetical order. See, C, F, alphabetical order it is showing by default. Can you do ls space -lt? It will show in time order, guys. What is the latest it will show? See, guys, time order it is showing, time sorting. Can you do, I want to make size order, ls -ls, ls space -l capital S, use capital S. I think small s also works. Okay, capital S is working. See guys, like this, every option has its own usage, guys. Every command has different options. So you no need to remember the options, guys. Only command usage, if you know, options you can later find out, guys.
Where is
Simple
the
man
size?
command.
Where is the size here?
70, 69, 17. That is size. 70 is there, right? Bytes. It is showing in bytes. 70, 69.
But we don't
Yes.
have any. But we don't have any content in cat file, na cat.
It's there, no?
Okay. Yeah.
So 70 bytes data it has.
Okay.
Okay. So this is how, guys. There are so many options. Every command, not only for ls command, guys. So maybe go to man page, man ls. You can find out those options there. What are the different options you have with ls command? Go man space ls. See guys, -a, capital A, author, -b, block size, capital B. Come down, press enter. Press enter, press enter. See, -c, capital C. Different options we have with ls. So like this, every command has its own options. So if you know the
See
command
here.
options, you can find out later also, guys.
See here. -s is there.
Understand the options? I'm sorry.
Here -s is there. After that hyphen size is there. Both are same or?
Yes, you can use either -s or hyphen size. Okay, whatever they given. Yes, both of them you can use. Your wish. Did you understand the options, guys? What is option for every command? Not only for ls, guys. Q, press Q. Do cat man space ls. Sorry, man space cat. See, guys. Again, cat also so many options. Different options we have, guys. Everywhere. Okay, this is how it works. So are you clear about the options, guys? What is option? Did you understand? Everybody.
Hi Amar, this side Amar also. Actually, some doubt in VI editor.
Yes, Amar, tell me.
Actually, in VI editor, you told that there are three mode, okay, and
Yes.
escape mode, insert mode, and command mode.
But
As per my earlier knowledge, and when escape mode is, it means we are escaping from VI editor. When we are pressing column, that is we are going to escape mode. Not press, it does not mean that we are pressing ESC button. It means we are going into escape mode.
Okay.
Escape mode means we are getting away. We are getting away from VI editor. Command mode means when we are in insert mode and pressing ESC button, it means we are going to command mode. That is, our command will work now.
Okay. So did you have anywhere that notes and all about this?
No, actually, I don't remember now. Actually, 1 year or 2 years ago, I have read this concept.
Maybe different, like maybe so understandings will be there. But as per my understanding, this is what I mean, we editor.
No, whatever you are doing, that is correct. I am agree with that. But whatever theory you are saying, it is creating some doubt to me. It is conflicting with my knowledge.
Oh, okay. Maybe so. But as per my knowledge, just check it, Google it.
Okay.
Okay, so command mode, in this mode you can open or create files, specify cursor, editing mode, save, quit. Yeah, see, save and quit is command mode only. Press escape key to return to command mode, entry mode. Okay, so again press escape key to return command mode. So I think escape mode we are calling it as a command mode. We have to think. In this mode you can open. Yeah, so maybe command mode is nothing but escape mode. Then what does it mean? Last line mode. When in command mode. Okay, maybe I'll get the correct names in tomorrow class. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah, I will check that one more time. Maybe somewhere I got these references, so I'm using the same since beginning and onwards. Maybe I will check that. Okay, so
Sure,
don't
sir.
worry. Yeah, thanks for your information. Actually,
Thank you,
different places, different names we used to, I mean, like they used to refer. But let me get the correct names.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay then. Thank you.
Actually, I read this concept in maybe in Sumita Das Linux book that
Sure. Maybe let me check that. Maybe so. That's what
suppose
I
we are
mean.
in.
Different places, different references are there. Definitely,
Okay.
you might be correct. I will check that. Okay.
Sure. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay then. Go back. Go back to Putty now. Okay. Press Q now. Press Q. Okay. So guys, these are the different options we do have in our again for every command. So even for vi, even for cd, even for sudo, every command you can check the options, guys. So okay, so because options also very important for every command based on your range. So whatever I am covering are basic part, guys. Basic, only command option, command usage I am telling you. So later, like you will get so many requirements like this. So that time you have to open. This is help command, guys. Kind of helping, like maybe help information. So there is one more command also called. Can you do cat space hyphen help? Your command name space hyphen help. Yeah, this also there, guys. Okay, here also you will get little information about your command. Your command name space hyphen help is one option, or else man space your command. So two help commands are there, guys. Okay, so you can go with those data whenever you need some full-fledged information about that command, about that information and all that options and all. Okay, so I think yeah, it's enough for today, guys. Again, in tomorrow class we'll discuss about what I can say, user management, how to create a user. Okay, so how to log in with those users, how to get sudo access for those users, and we'll see those things and all in tomorrow class, guys. Okay.
Okay, Amar,
Yeah.
actually, in which sequence you will follow, and means these DevOps topics, Git after that, Jenkins after that, Ansible after that, Docker, Kubernetes, like that, some sequence will be there, no?
Yeah, definitely here first Linux is the minimum. Okay, so then
Okay.
after it depends on, maybe obviously some dependencies are there. So before Jenkins I have to cover Git, but before Jenkins there is no, I mean before Git there is no, I mean what I can say, dependency, right? So Git I may start anywhere. So Git space Jenkins will be together,
Maven.
as well as next after Docker and Kubernetes are the dependencies. So I have to start those things again together. But
Okay.
before Docker, there is no requirement. There is no dependency, right?
Okay.
It
Yeah.
is nowhere dependency with your Git or Jenkins or maybe Ansible. So again, Ansible is independent one.
Okay.
NagoorBabu is independent one.
Okay. Git and Jenkins and Maven, these three are one unit.
Yes, Git, Jenkins, Maven, Sonar, Nexus, all together. You'll come. It will come
Together
together.
will come, and Docker and Kubernetes is one entity, and Ansible is one entity.
Ansible separate. NagoorBabu separate. There is no dependency.
Okay. Okay.
AWS also no dependency. Only basic thing you should know that.
Okay, after these
Okay.
Unix, after the Linux sessions, no, that when the AWS is also mandatory, no, I think before Git, I think, no?
No, not like that. It's not a dependency, right?
Okay,
AWS is not dependency with Git.
okay,
Only Linux box you need for that Git. Yes or no?
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Once
Maybe I
we
will
done
take
with the
care about
Linux,
the order. You don't. Wait. Just a minute. Actually, unnecessarily, like I don't want to confuse the students. Maybe if you say something and if I say something, students might be confused, right? So
okay.
order, I will take care. You don't worry about that. My assurance is definitely you can understand.
Yeah, that is,
Okay, so don't bother about the order.
okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay,
Maybe if you have any questions, please ping me in this chat, in this WhatsApp number. I'm pinging my WhatsApp number. I'll add you into my WhatsApp group. Okay, there you can ping me if you have any questions and all.
okay.
Yeah, because already you completed like half of the topics, right? That's where you're asking all these questions.
No. This is my third class with you.
Oh, okay. Someone said already joined other classes. Oh, okay. I thought you also same. I'm sorry.
No.
No problem. Don't worry about the order. Okay, I will
Okay,
take care of the order.
okay. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So wherever dependency is not there, so that tools only I will start.
Okay.
Don't worry about that. Yeah. Okay then, guys. Thank you very much. We'll meet again tomorrow, same time.
Yeah, thank
Thank
you.
you,
Bye.
sir.
Yeah.
Take care.
Thank you.